doll crash plane. We're going somewhere! It's coming back! We've been on this plane for 4 days. You had landed. Phew! Wait, where are we? Hey, dolls, get out of the plane! Oh my God! Oh no! What do I do next? Ah! Who are you? I got kicked off of the plane somehow. What you used to been? Oh. We're two friends until we find the dollhouse. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's find the dollhouse. 6 days later. Okay, we finally found the house. We're inside the house. Yes. We're at the house. Yeah. We forgot you. I hope the dolls come back soon. I don't know what's happening to the plane. I hate this plane. I mean the dolls off. Ugh. Ah, there's Tiger. This is what happened. So, when two of you guys were on the plane, you really had this got out of the plane, and the plane closed the door. Then we run away. Then they kicked us all off the plane because we got us away. So it was you. Then we went back home. That was the story what we did. I'm back. Oh, yes, you are. Okay. Oh, the dolls are back. But the airplane is doing something. I don't know what's doing. It might be flying. That's the end of pt.4 video of doll for airplane crash. Thank you.